In the field of aviation innovation in Europe, 3 cutting-edge projects powered by the European Union Horizon 2020 program share a collective vision. Together, SUSTAINair, DOMMINIO, and MORPHO are on a mission to revolutionize aviation from the inside out. They're creating smarter, more eco-friendly aircraft components while reducing waste across the aircraft value chain and pushing the boundaries in the realm of airplane manufacture. These 3 projects all incorporate advanced structural health monitoring systems to enhance the detection of damage and faults in airframe and engine components. Think of it as having a team of diligent aerospace doctors on standby. Their job is to meticulously examine every nook and cranny of the aircraft, ensuring that any issues are promptly diagnosed and addressed. This level of care and attention helps extend the lifespan of these crucial components, ensuring the aircraft remains in optimal condition for its journey in the skies. SUSTAINair is all about expanding the aircraft's sustainability in a wide variety of surprising ways. Picture this. They're conjuring up magical joining techniques for metal and composite design. They're giving wings to planes that can actually morph mid-flight. What's more, they're eco-warriors, cutting down on waste from vital manufacturing processes such as titanium additive manufacturing and aluminium high-pressure die casting. Ultimately, SUSTAINair wants to think lightweight, super smart and uber cool, with new mega-efficient airframe and engine parts that make the whole aircraft look and feel like it's from the future. DOMMINIO is all about wizardry and materials. They're weaving spells with multifunctional thermoplastic filaments and summoning fiber sensors made from carbon nanotubes. Oh, and they've got these mind-blowing simulation tools in their toolkit too. They're dressing up airframe parts in the fanciest composite laminates and 3D printed bits you can only imagine. MORPHO is all about giving engine fan blades a brain. They're embedding printed and fiber optical sensors, turning these blades into smart, high-tech aircraft components. What's more, they've got this thing called digital hybrid twin models that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. And guess what? They're not just high-tech, they also have a serious relationship with carbon fiber recycling, helping to make the skies cleaner and greener. MORPHO's mission is to elevate engine fan blades, giving them the cool factor of Iron Man's suit. Transforming them into super intelligent and mega versatile components is their speciality. So there you have it. Powered by the European Union Horizon 2020 program, these 3 projects are rising stars of aviation tech, making planes smarter, cooler, and more eco-friendly on a thrilling adventure.